Let's prepare a simple web page. Open text editor from Application Accessories Text Editor. There are two types of text editors, text editor and gedit text editor. Open a text editor and prepare HTML code. Created a text editor document. Title tag displays the title of the web page. H3 tag indicates the main headings and P is the paragraph. BR tag is used to move the cursor to the next line. Save this document as a web page by selecting File menu, Save option. Save as dialog box appears. Select the destination folder from the home folder and type a file name with .html extension. Don't forget to type the extension. Click on Save button. Minimize the text editor document for further use. Then open the web page from the web browser Mozilla Firefox or from the home folder. Now the simple web page opened. Students, just identify the differences between the text editor document and the web page. Then minimize all opened windows. Applying cascading style for paragraph tag. Open the last created text editor document. Make the changes to the same file. Include style tag into the head tag. Added cascading style for the paragraph. To save the changes that we made, click on Save button. Click on File menu, Save option or Save icon from the toolbar. Then open the minimized web page. Then click on Reload current page option. The paragraph style changed. Then minimize the web page. Adding cascading style for H3 tag. Open text editor document and add H3 tag into the style tag. Cascading style for H3 tag added into the text editor file. Then save the file by selecting Save icon from the toolbar. Then open the minimized web page. Then click on the Reloaded the current page option. Now the cascading style for the heading displayed on the web page. Cascading style of body tag. Open the text editor document. Include cascading style for body tag in the style tag. Then save the document. Open the web page and reload the changes. Now background color applied to the web page. Then close all opened windows. Open the web page from the home folder. Then right click on the web page and select View Page Source to find the source code.